Hi! In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder on this smartphone. Start by finding Sound Recorder app and tapping on it. Then you need to click on this red button and select while using the app and allow. Now click on this red button again to start a recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and if you wish to end it and save it, stop it and click on this check mark on the right. Now you can delete your recording right away by choosing delete or name it and choose save. Now tap on the same right button to access list of all your recordings. As you can see, mine is over here. If you want to play it, just tap on it. Come on. Then to start a record, over here. If you're to delete it though, you need to go back, click on this right button again, hold it, and select delete icon at the bottom. Then confirm your choice by tapping on delete file. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!